Hey guys, Volvo just released a version of software that supports Apple Maps in the dash. By default, Google Maps comes up. If you make sure that you have downloaded and installed the latest version of the software, which is currently 2.9, you'll see it if you go into your software settings. If you have 2.9, you should be capable of having Apple Maps. The oddity is that there's no way to switch to it unless you try to go somewhere with it. So make sure you've got your iPhone plugged in. Go into CarPlay off of the menu, and then if you go into Maps, you're going to have to actually try to go to a destination. So we're still in Google Maps. As soon as we go, it switches over to Apple Maps. So it's that simple. Doesn't appear to be a way to always be in Apple Maps. You've got to go into CarPlay and select a destination before it will take over in your dash. Thanks. I hope this helps somebody.